Namaste to all beautiful people. Today I am going to show you how to do Parvatasana, the mountain posture. Sit erect in Sukhasana or Padmasana. Make sure it's comfortable for you. In case you cannot sit on the floor, practice standing or sitting on a chair without using hands. Now keep your hands at their respective sides, palm facing upward. Keep your head and neck straight and abdomen tucked in gently and gaze a point in front of you. Inhaling, raise your both arms together from respective sides for an upward stretch, joining the palms to each other above the head. Keep your arms close to the respective ears, your abdomen gently pulled inwards and back straight. Avoid bending your arms and elbows and wrists. Keep them stretched and straight. Fix your gaze at a single point ahead. Maintain this position for 6 seconds, holding your breath. Hypertension and cardiac patients must not hold their breath. While exhaling, turn your palms outwards. Keep your arms straight and bring them down to their respective sides. Variations of Parvatasana, Variation 1. Follow the same steps. Raise your hands, join your palms above the head, keep them straight, close to your ears. While inhaling, bend to your right side, keeping your hips firmly on the floor and head tucked in between the arms. Immediately exhaling, return to the center. Inhaling, bend towards your left side, keeping your hips firmly on the floor. Immediately exhaling, return to the center. Turn the palms outwards and while exhaling, bring them down to the respective sides to touch the floor. Variation 2. Follow the same steps. Raise your hands above the head, join your palms together. Maintain the head, hands and upper torso as one unit while twisting. While exhaling, twist your spine towards your right. There should be no movement below the waist. Immediately inhaling, return to the central position. Exhaling, twist towards your left side. Inhaling, return to the central position. While exhaling, turn your palms outwards and bring them down. Variation 3. Follow the same steps as Variation 1 and 2. Inhaling, looking upward, bend backwards a little so that your spine arches backwards. Keeping your head locked in between your arms. Now immediately exhaling, bend forward so your upper body is parallel to the floor. Move your upper body as in one unit. There will be a compression in your abdomen. Suspend your breath and maintain this position for few seconds. While inhaling, return to the center. As you exhale, turn your palms outwards and bring them down to the sides. And relax. Benefits of the Parvatasana. It stretches all your abdominal and pelvic muscles and loosens your hip joint. It exercises your inactive waist zone and helps to reduce your flabby abdomen. It corrects minor postural defects of the spine and stretches the muscles of your back. Internal organs in your abdominal region get an internal massage. There is improved blood circulation. It improves your ability to stay focused, develops your strength, stability and longevity. Namaste and thank you for watching. Please keep practicing. Stay home, stay safe.